In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to make your iPhone screen brighter. Whether it's reading ebooks in bed or viewing photos in bright sunlight, I've got you covered. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Display and Brightness. And now you will see this brightness slider over here. So in order to make your iPhone screen brighter, simply drag this slider to the right. There is also a quick way to increase the brightness of your iPhone screen. Just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the control center. And now you will see this brightness slider. So to increase the brightness, simply drag this slider up just like this. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.